Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to set any video or GIF files that you have on your camera roll as a wallpaper for your lock screen. As you probably know, with iOS 18 you can have live wallpapers on the lock screen. They're basically now called motion wallpapers, but it's basically the same thing. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just follow a few simple steps and you can have any of your videos set as a lock screen wallpaper. Now what you need in order to do that is this app, which you can download for free from the App Store. It is called Into Live. Now once you have installed the app, this is what you will see. The app of course will be linked right down below in the description of the video. So you will have this section right here where it says Live Wallpaper. You tap here and simply choose any videos that you have on your camera roll. Now once you choose the video, you will see this interface right here where you can also maybe trim the video if you want to, or you can play to see which part of the video you're actually using for your wallpaper. So you can see the wallpaper length will be around 1 second. So of course you can adjust it right here and see which part you're actually using. Once you have done that, you tap the done button and now tap this little share button and it will actually save it under the camera roll of your device. And now let me show you guys how to set it up as a lock screen wallpaper. Now to do that, just head on to your camera roll and find the wallpaper that has now been created. So basically from a video, it has turned now into a live photo. Tap the share button right here and tap use as wallpaper. Now when you go here, you will see this little button. Just tap on it and now it's a live wallpaper. Of course, you can even adjust it, zoom in and out if you want to. And also when you tap add here, you can see that it will add the same wallpaper to your home screen, but of course there will be just a still wallpaper. The live wallpaper only works on the lock screen. Now if you want to change the home screen, you just tap on customize home screen and you can maybe add blur here, or maybe just pick one of your photos and add it for the home screen, while you will have this on the lock screen of your device. Now if we lock the device, you can see every time we wake here the lock screen of the device, it will have this cool little animation, which is pretty awesome. Now let me show you guys how you can do this, but now turn not a video but a GIF file into a live wallpaper. Now the process is pretty much the same. All you have to do is just tap on live wallpaper and then just select the GIF right there, which will filter everything that you have on your camera roll and it will show you only the GIF files. Now we can select this right here, it will load it, and again you can see right here we can again adjust it, tap the done button, tap the share button to actually extract it and save it under the camera roll. And now once you have done that, you're pretty much good to go. You can just go ahead and set it as a wallpaper just like you did with the first one. So that's basically it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you want to download that app and try out these cool wallpapers for your lock screen, you will find the link right down below in the description of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you on the next one.